Welcome to CineVeg. Today I would like to demonstrate how to use our products. Let's start with this short video. The drone flying over the forest ahead gives us a feeling of mystery. It has all the hallmarks of a drama TV series. So let's use CineSuites to further enhance this. Let's open CineSuite and see what it has to offer. Let's take some undertones and some tonal bends, and maybe a few other random sounds and drag them into our editor. CineSuite is tonal matched, meaning there is no wrong answer to which sound we can select. So let's prove that by grabbing any file and simply placing them anywhere on the timeline. Now suddenly our video has a whole new feel. Let's add some more sounds and arrange it to taste. And now let's listen to our finished mock-up.
CineVeg.
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 Leading the way.